a little bit to purge all that oxygen you put from your grinder. This way it's just more efficient and a little less time consuming. So the same idea on the bottom, preheat, and I'm gonna feed from the top. This is a back feed here on the bottom. Pretty much on a small diameter is always feed from the top, or like from 10 o'clock, it depends from which side you are, like 2-3 o'clock one side or 9 to 10 o'clock on the other side. Feed from the top. It's like a back feed technique. Keep that rod in a puddle. Stretch that puddle side to side. I like heavier wall. Fits your cup inside perfect. You can wiggle. You can walk the cup inside the root, or you can freehand, whatever it's easier for you. Okay, now all those welds in there open up. Don't, you know. Okay, so 70S2 1/8 for the root, 125 amps. I think that's pretty much that should be a good amp for this. You can even go a little bit higher. It all depends from your travels. So I'm gonna try lay wire technique on this side. Keep the rod slightly inside. As you can see here, it's 70S2, especially when it's your pipe. It's not really properly clean from inside. It's gonna be a little bit even harder to manipulate, to have a really good control over that pipe. Don't be lazy, grab a grinder. If you don't like it, just do a little touch up, you know, or a buffing wheel, clean it, keep it clean all your passes. So for the fill, I'm just gonna go two fill passes for this welding procedure. So I'm just gonna do one on the bottom, one on the top. You know, it doesn't have to be in any order specific. You can go one from the top first and then on the bottom. It's just whatever it's easier for you. It doesn't really. You can wiggle like. You can use bigger cap. You can always change the size of your cap.
Instead of the standard collet bodies that come. This is a number 8 standard collet body cup. I'm going to use the same stick out and the same flow rate for all these welds. You can see that's less than ideal. It's a little bit gray, it's ropey. That's because there was oxides in the puddle. It wasn't shielding good. I don't do anything different. Same stick out, same argon flow rate with a number 8 gas lens cup. The difference is tremendous right there. Now if I take it a step further and put on the Jazzy 10 with the secondary diffusers, same flow rate, same stick out, I get even better results. That's why I don't typically use the standard collet bodies for stainless steel. If you have a 17 style torch and you're still using the standard collet bodies and not getting the results you want, the very first upgrade that I would recommend is our Weldmonger Stubby Gas Lens kit. Here's why I think ours is the best one out there. The key component in a kit like this is the gas lens. We use made in USA Furic gas lenses with an O-ring groove. 5/16 electrode extension, and that would work out okay, but by shortening that just a little bit, that will kind of narrow up the weave motion. That'll keep the heat centered up on that line, on that seam. Sometimes it even helps just to knock a slight chamfer on that thing just so you can see it better. At least it does for me. My eyes are not 23 anymore. A little body position change. Trying not to miss a beat. Again, just imagine the bacteria and critters that can grow in all those crevices as compared to the nice smooth surface of a properly purged joint. And if you're doing sanitary work or other stainless, a TIG Pro kit's got a cup for every situation. It's like the Swiss Army knife of TIG kits. This Jazzy Tin ceramic cup inside the kit would be a great choice for sanitary tubing. Here's the special offer I have for you. From now through when you order a Weldmonger dual flow meter, we'll also throw in this awesome strong